Welcome to Health and Yum, where we whip up tasty recipes with a side of nutrition and health tips, because life's too short to eat boring food. I'm Alina and I'm a soupaholic. Soups are the ultimate comfort food and they are so versatile. Plus, they freeze like a charm. Today, I'm excited to share my homemade nourishing tomato soup recipe that's not only packed with protein and texture, but it's also heart healthy. You are in for a treat! This tomato soup is easy to make, especially since the veggies are chopped roughly at the start and they will all be blended at the end. One of the ingredients we are using in this soup is celery. Celery is a secret weapon for the heart because it has compounds that help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. So let's give this crunchy green stick a high five. We start by cooking 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for 5 minutes while stirring frequently. Garlic and onions are powerful, heart-healthy foods. Garlic fights off inflammation and high blood pressure, and onions protect blood vessels from plaque buildup. Next, let's add the rest of the ingredients. 1 celery stalk, 1 cup carrots, 1 can chickpeas, 1 can crushed tomatoes, 1.5 can coconut milk, and a half teaspoon of sea salt. Chickpeas are packed with fiber that helps lower cholesterol and with potassium and magnesium that help lower blood pressure. These little beans are such a delicious way to support the health of your heart. Bring everything to a boil, then turn the heat down. Let the veggies simmer for approximately 30 minutes until they are tender. Don't forget to stir once in a while so the soup doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Once the veggies are nice and tender, it's time to make some magic. Blend the soup using an immersion blender until smooth. If you like, you can make a double batch. Freeze part of it and enjoy some leftovers the next day. Leftovers are really good. There are many ways to serve this soup. Check out the blog in the description below for some yummy ideas. My personal fave is to add a little lemon juice, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, croutons, and basil. I know, tomatoes and lemons sound like a weird combo, but please give it a try and then leave a comment to tell me how much you loved it. Lemon juice rounds the sharp flavors of the soup, making it delicate and satisfying. What do you usually serve with tomato soup? Is it grilled cheese, croutons, or just a spoon and a big thank you? If you like this tomato soup recipe, and I think you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we make another heart-healthy recipe that will help your digestive system do a happy dance. A vegetarian chili loaded with beans, lentils, and vegetables that are a source of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Yum!